DJI, a famous company known for drones and cameras, seems to be planning a new small camera called the DJI Osmo Nano. This camera has not been officially announced yet, but many leaks and rumors are giving us clues about what it might be like. In today's video, we will talk about everything we have heard about the DJI Osmo Nano. One of the most exciting things about the DJI Osmo Nano is its design. From what leaks and reports say, the Osmo Nano will be very small. It is expected to be the smallest camera DJI has ever made. This is important because people want cameras that are easy to carry around. The design may bring back a cool style that DJI fans liked before. The camera is likely to be pocket-sized, meaning you can easily put it in your pocket or bag and take it anywhere. It is supposed to be light, which makes it great for action shots or casual filming. Some rumors say it will look similar to earlier DJI products, but even smaller. Even though DJI has not shared full details yet, leaks give us a good idea of what features the Osmo Nano might have. The camera is expected to have a simple and smart interface, which means it will be easy to use for beginners and experts alike. The Osmo Nano might have a good quality lens that can capture clear videos and photos. It could offer high resolution, possibly up to 4K video recording. This is important for people who want to make videos that look sharp and professional. Along with video, it should be good for taking pictures too. One interesting rumor is that the camera might have stabilization technology. This means it can reduce shaking when you move the camera. Stabilization helps make videos smooth, even if you are running or moving fast. This feature is very useful for action cameras, which people often use during sports or outdoor activities. Some reports also say the Osmo Nano could have a touchscreen or simple buttons to control settings. The battery life might be enough to record for a long time, so you won't have to stop and charge often. Why is DJI making the Osmo Nano? Some people wonder why DJI is making such a small camera now, when its Action 5 Pro is already very popular. The answer may be that users want more choices. Not everyone needs a camera with all the advanced options. Sometimes, a small, easy-to-use camera is better for quick shots or travel. The market for small cameras is growing. People want cameras that are simple but still give good picture quality. DJI probably sees this chance and wants to give customers a new product that fits these needs. Also, smaller cameras are useful for content creators who use social media. They need cameras that can fit in small spaces or be mounted on helmets, bikes, or pets. The Osmo Nano could be perfect for such users. The DJI Osmo Nano looks like it could be a great new camera for people who want something small, easy to use, and portable. It might not replace bigger cameras with all the features, but it will offer a new option for users who want to carry a camera everywhere. With a compact design, good video quality, and useful features like stabilization, the Osmo Nano could be perfect for travelers, vloggers, and everyday users. The rumors show DJI is working hard to bring back a cool, small camera that fits modern needs. That's the end of our today's video. Thanks for watching.